How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. In order to do that, head over here to your tree line, click right here on your gear icon, then from there scroll down until you reach this Meta Account Center. From there, click on this personal details or your information permission as well. And then under that, you can see this option. Now click on this download your information. Click on this download or transfer information and then choose your Facebook right here. Click on the specific types of information. And then from there, just look for the option called messages. Here's messages right here. Click on next. Click on this download the device. Then just choose the date range. So for example, if they deleted it last week, click on this last week right here. And then click on create files. And then after that, just wait for the files to be created and you can head over and download it and you should be able to see the deleted messages. This is how you see deleted messages on Messenger. Hope we helped.